Hi, today we're going to see how to create a long shadow text effect in Photopea. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new image. Go to File, New. The image width is 1920 by 1080 pixels and then left click. So here it is. And now I'm going to change the color of this layer here. So I'm just going to left click on the foreground. I'm going to select, for example, this blue color. So here, and now press OK. And now I'm going to left click here, select the pen bucket tool, then left click. And now I'm going to select the text tool, the type tool, sorry. So here it is. I'm going to change the color of the type tool here into white. Press OK. For the size, I'm going to select 350, press enter. And for the font family, I'm going to select Poppins. So this one here. And now left click here, and now I'm just going to type my text. So here it is. And now double click to select all the text. I'm going to change the style here to bold. So I'm going to reduce the size to 300. So here it is, press enter. And now select the move tool. I'm going to move it here like this to the middle. I'm going to move it here, so here it is. And now, in order to add the shadow, you can either right click, select blending options, or just left click here on the layer style. And now, for example, I'm going to select the drop shadow. You can still select, for example, blending option, and then you have all these options. Check the drop shadow, and I'm going to move my window here so we can see the effect. So here, this is the blending mode. So this is the color of the shadow. For example, if I change it to white, so here like this, so here it is. So I'm going to keep it with black, press OK. And here, this is the angle. So for example, I'm going to place it in this direction. And now in order to make it long shadow, I'm going to select continuous. So here it is. And then I'm going to increase the size. So here, as you can see, it's not exceeding, for example, the layer. And in order to do so, I'm just going to type the number here, the distance number. So for example, I'm going to type 1000 pixels, press enter. So here it is. For the size, I'm going to reduce it. So here it is. Now I'm just going to change a little bit the direction. So it may lag a little bit depending on your computer. So I'm going to leave it here, and here you can, for example, control the opacity of the layer. So here I'm going to reduce it a little bit. So I'm going to leave it here, for example. Once you like the effect, just click OK. So here it is. That's how you can create a long shadow text effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.